Hey you guys, I made a purchase from Fashionphile and it finally came, so stay tuned to see what it is that I picked up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video for more content like it.
Okay.
It's here. I made a purchase on Fashionphile on December 27th, and it finally got here today, which is January 8th. This video won't go up for a little bit because I have some other content that's already ready to go up, and so I won't interrupt all that, but it's here, and I'm thrilled. So, here it is. I haven't opened it. It literally came today. My husband signed for the package, and I got home and I was so excited to open it, but we decided to go out to eat, and so I had the setup all ready to go, and we went out, we ate, and we came back. We kind of hung out for a minute, and then it was like, all right, enough's enough. I got to get in there and open this thing. So let's do this. I have to tell you guys, I'm actually really nervous about this unboxing because this is something that is really outside of my comfort zone, and y'all are gonna think it's silly, but I'll explain it once I get it open. But I just decided to go for it. Like, seize the day, right? Whatever. I can send it back if I don't love it, and I haven't torn the tag off, so that's what I'll do. So here it is, the box. So yeah, I'm super nervous about this one. It is not a vintage piece as I thought I was going to go for, but it is something different than what I have, so we'll see. Get your receipt and stuff from Fashionphile here. Open that up. Receipt. Thank you. We would buy it back. Blah blah blah. All the confetti. And then I'll just pull this out. Used is that box. Used is the new. If you guys have any guesses as to what this could be, make your guesses in the comments below. Quick, I'll wait. Okay, so now that you made your guesses, let me show you what it is. And then what I'm going to do is go over it, what Fashionphile listed it as, and the wear and tear that I see compared to what they've reported and all that. And so I can even insert some pictures of the actual purse that they have, the pictures that they have. I can insert those here at some point in this video so that you can see what they said versus what it actually looks like and what the pictures look like. So here we go. My stomach is like in butterflies. This is so crazy. This is so silly.
It's good.
All right. I got the Noe BB and the Damier Azur, and it is freaking precious. Oh my gosh. I love this already so much more than I thought I would. Wow. Wow. All right. So this came with a dust bag. They always put it in their Fashionphile dust bag, and then it comes with a dust bag. So here's the little bit of story with this. We were on vacation in Michigan, and I was like really wanting a Noe of some sort or fashion. And I just felt like all the monogram and all the damier, everything, it's like I've already got stuff in that. I've got one, I have two Empreinte bags, one Empreinte white bag, and I was like, you know, I just need I need something a little different, something that's a little more unique for my collection, something that I don't have, and something that maybe makes me feel like I'm going out on a limb a little bit. And so I watched all the videos on this purse. And the one that finally convinced me, because I wanted to see size comparisons and all that, I talked to Tiffany, and she, I believe, owned this one, owned a Petite Noe, and she has the Noe, is it the Petite Noe since 1854 collection one, and she loved them, had all good things to say. Some she loved more than others. But the one that finally convinced me was Jerusha Couture's video on her Noe BB that was this Damier Azur leather. And I thought, Damier Azur. It's not something that I've like even really considered. I've had one Damier Azur and it was a Speedy and it was a 30 and I sold it. And I think I sold it, one, because it wasn't a bandolier version, so I didn't like that, but I didn't know a bandolier version existed. And two, it was the white was, I was scared of it because I think I had spilled something on it and I was able to get it out, but it was something that was red, like a sauce or something. And I was terrified that I had ruined it. And I got it out and I was like, that is it. I've got to get rid of it. So here I am. This is probably like 6 years later. And I'm going out on a limb. Now, if you watch my handbag deal breaker video, one of the deal breakers was this all leather bottom piece. And this even goes up on the sides. But I've got to go out on a limb here. I've just got to give it a shot. So I am so ecstatic with this. This vachetta is in like phenomenal condition. Okay, let's go over what Fashionphile had to say about this purse. I'll show you it here, and I'll also insert the pictures here one of those, so that you can see the pictures that they put up versus the actual purse here. So it is listed in excellent condition. The base length is 8.5 inches. The longest length is 13 inches. So I'm guessing that's like this like middle part here that kind of bows out a little bit. The height is 9.5 inches and the width is 6 inches. And then the drop is 20 inches. And I think that it might be more than 20 inches at its longest. So I'll measure that at some point and come back to that. So this was made in the year 2020. So it is like just from last year, and it comes with the dust bag. So it's listed in excellent condition. The description, nope, I need the condition. There we go. So the exterior says corner wear, scuffs, patina of vachetta, marks, and liquid marks. So when I look at the corners, we'll start with that. There is a little bit of corner wear, and I'll show you guys as best I can in just a minute. All right. So I don't know if my camera's going to pick up on that, on like the little bit of scuffing that's there. A little tiny bit there, maybe. A little more there and some there. And that's, I'm assuming, is like those watermarks that are there. But it's kind of on the bottom of the bag and you really can't tell. And that was also part of the reason why I wanted to get this used and not new, because I know that this white like yellows, but also that this vachetta was probably going to get water spots and all that. And I am planning on actually using this. Like, I think I'm going to switch to it now. That's the exterior. The handle says scuffs, patina, liquid marks, and marks. So let's look at that. So when they say liquid marks, I do not think you're going to be able to see that. There are some tiny, 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 tiny little droplets there. You can't even see them in the pictures. There's like some scuffing there on the edge right there, if you can see that. I'm sorry if my camera's not focusing in on it. And that's, I don't even really see anything else. And then over here you can see some like wrinkling in the vachetta. But it's like, that's gonna happen. That's just gonna happen on these. The hardware has scratches, which, yeah, it does a little bit, but not like crazy. Whoever had this bag really treated it nicely. Maybe they were like me and were scared to use it. And then the interior has marks. So let's take this bubble wrap out. There's like, on the very, very bottom, and I don't even think that you can see that, and I can't zoom like my phone camera in, but like on the very bottom, down like in here, there's one tiny, tiny, little tiny mark, and that's it. That's all that I see. I don't see any others. That is so nuts. Maybe there's a little tiny mark there, but it's so faint. So insane. And then here's the date code on this side here. You can see that there. And the date code is SA1210, which means it was the 11th week of 2020. I am so happy with this purchase. So when I made this purchase on vacation, I looked at my husband and I had been talking to him about it. Like, God bless him. He just listened to me talk about it and like all my thoughts on it. And he was like, okay. And I said, I think I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to do it. And I hit like, I put it on reserve. So with Fashionphile, you can put it in a reserve like layaway program. And I had all the money to do it, but because we were out of town, I didn't want it to get delivered while we were not here because it is signature required. So I put it on reserve, layaway, and then as soon as we got back, or like a day or two out from getting back, I went ahead and just paid it off, and that way it could make its way to me. And I think I finished the order up on like the Sunday that we got back, maybe the Saturday, and it got to me today, Friday. So it took about a week, but I didn't do like expedited shipping or anything like that. I just did regular shipping. So you guys, this is mine. I'm keeping this. 100% I'm keeping this. I am so ecstatic with the size. It reminds me a lot of the Belmont PM that I have, and I will do a comparison on those and probably this versus the Speedy 25 because it seems like they're going to hold very similar amounts. But let's go ahead and see what from my Neverfull GM can fit in here real quick. I want to do it quickly because I don't want this video to go on forever. I will also say I have plans to use some straps with it, some guitar straps with it, maybe like this, or even purchasing some lighter color straps. This is the lightest color I really have. The rest of them are like black accent of some sort. So if I can find one or two more like this, there was one that was like a sand color that I think would go really well with this vachetta and this lighter color. So I'll do that. But let's see what fits in this, shall we? Oh, I can tell you the price too. I'm sorry. Okay. And so the estimated price of this is $1,340. I got it for $1,395, and then there was the $140 discount. It was on like 10% discount, I think, and so that made it $1,255 plus shipping. So my total with shipping and all that was $1,355.40. Is that a ridiculous price for this purse? I don't think so. I know I didn't save a ton on it, and I didn't care. The reason I wanted to get it pre-loved is because I know that these bags yellow, and I am nervous about the vachetta, and so I did not want to buy this brand new. I know it says that this vachetta is like already patinaed, but I don't think so terribly. So anyway, okay. I know this is kind of an awkward angle, but I thought it would be the best to be able to show you what fits in. And I did want to show you because I saw somebody say like, oh, my Neverfull GM pouch doesn't fit down in there. And it doesn't this way, like it gets kind of stuck there halfway down. But you can set it up like this. And that's what I saw Jerusha Couture to do. So I thought that was good to know. My full-size zippy wallet does fit down in there with plenty of space. It fits like perfectly actually. So that's good to know. Full-size wallet fits. So now let me pull out all the stuff that I normally carry. Okay, so you saw that full-size zippy wallet fit down in there, which was awesome. Now here are some of the like my main things that I carry. I'll also show you that the toiletry pouch 19 fits in there just fine. No issues. And the cosmetic case, like PM, fits down in there, but because of that clamshell shape, it kind of sits awkward and it does not fit down like in this way. I've got my cash pack from Rough and Tumble. And that fits. I think that would actually, not quite. Okay, so that fits down in there. I have my Victorine wallet. It actually fits down on the side there if I wanted it to. We'll keep putting things in and see how that'll fit. This is like my little pharmacy, and I could put that down at the very bottom if I wanted, like that. I carry these sunglasses, my car keys. This is my card case that fits in there. Probably put this in standing upright. The second set of sunglasses, if I wanted to make that fit, I could. I did set that up right. And I could probably pack this better, so bear with me. This is my change pouch. I always have my AirPod Pros. I usually carry a Built Bar with me. I could also get my extra battery pack in there if wanted. Like, that is a whole lot of stuff. It's not too heavy, and this purse on its own is really light. I'm gonna probably throw some lotion in there on the side. That is everything. Now, I probably wouldn't carry 2 sets of sunglasses in this, and I could actually just carry this one because it stands upright. And I'd probably pack it a lot better than that, but that carries everything you could want it to carry. The only thing that I didn't fit in here was 2 other hand lotions and a full-size body spray from Bath & Body Works. So, oh, and my hand sanitizer can sit right there on top. Bam! That is everything. Also, I was going to show you, like, because there's still room vertically on top of this, I could, you know, probably fold this up better, but I could fit an entire scarf on top of that. And if you were worried about security or anything, nobody can get through that. So there you go. This thing holds everything. So that is literally everything you could want to fit in this purse. I am so ecstatic with this purchase. I will say I'm considering getting like a liner organizer to put in it, just to kind of protect that lighter color interior. So that's it. That's my newest bag. I'm so excited. And look how nicely that like squares off there. And I like the sturdy bottom. I am just loving this purse already. I'm still a little scared of the Shetta. But I was talking to Tiffany and she was like, just do it. Just use it. So here I am. I'm going to probably repack this, and in a bit I'll do a review on like how I'm using it, how I'm carrying it, what fits best in it, how it fits best, and so on and so forth. And like I said, I'll do comparison videos, but I am so happy with this purchase. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it didn't go on too long. Again, I always aim to try to keep it under that 20-minute mark. So I'm going to go ahead and end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, seeing what fits, all that, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye. Test. 1, 2. Test. Here's the. Oh. All right. Let's get some of this cleaned up here and get it out of the way. But gosh, I'm gonna say it wrong. On this, like, see the compare cash pad. No.